Welcome back to AutoCraze, the channel where power meets passion and machines become legends. Today we dive into one of the most striking and symbolic releases of modern rail innovation, the CN Maple Leaf 2025. A train that is more than just transportation, it's a cultural icon, a technological marvel, and a tribute to the legacy of Canadian National Railways. Stay tuned, because this is not just a review, this is a journey into the heart of what the Maple Leaf represents in 2025. The CN Maple Leaf 2025 carries a name rooted deep in Canadian history. For decades, Canadian National has symbolized strength, endurance, and unity across a vast nation. The Maple Leaf has always been more than a logo, it's a mark of national pride. The 2025 model reimagines this heritage, taking it into the future with a fresh design, new engineering, and bold symbolism. The moment you see this train in its commanding red, it is instantly recognizable. The Maple Leaf emblem is displayed with elegance, making the entire machine stand out as an ambassador of Canadian innovation. The exterior design of the CN Maple Leaf 2025 is nothing short of breathtaking. Its sleek aerodynamic profile reduces drag, allowing the train to slice through air with efficiency and grace. The bold red body is accented with subtle black and silver elements, giving it both a modern and timeless presence. Canadian National didn't just build a train, they sculpted a masterpiece that reflects both strength and speed. Each line of the bodywork has been shaped to maximize performance while keeping an iconic look. The sharp nose at the front gives it an aggressive yet refined character, while the smooth body panels flow seamlessly towards the rear, ensuring that the Maple Leaf looks fast even when it's standing still. The 2025 Maple Leaf has been designed to dominate the railways with both performance and presence. Canadian National has always been known for power, and this train carries that tradition forward. With advanced traction systems, upgraded electric drive capabilities, and fuel-efficient hybrid technologies, the Maple Leaf 2025 is not only powerful but also eco-conscious. This is where tradition meets future, the mighty engines that once thundered across the nation now merge with sustainable innovation. Standing at the front, you're immediately drawn to its signature headlights. These are not just lights, they're a visual statement, sharp, piercing beams that symbolize vision and progress. The bold CN insignia sits proudly on the front panel, while the AutoCraze-inspired plate adds an exclusive touch for enthusiasts. Every detail has been carefully thought out, from the placement of the vents to the curves of the bodywork. Moving towards the sides, the Maple Leaf 2025 shows off its streamlined length. The windows are smoothly integrated, reducing wind resistance while offering panoramic visibility. The powerful undercarriage and robust wheels are designed to handle the most demanding canopy.